Hi, my name is Martin Warren and I'm Application Engineer with Exvo. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the Exvo 430B along with the Connector Max 2 software available on a PC and all of Exvo's platform portfolio. The FIP 430B along with the Connector Max 2 software is the only solution on the market to make it a true one-step process. What we do is we connect the fiber into the unit, and with this it will automatically detect the presence of a fiber, and then we are ready to test the connector. The FIP 430B is the only probe on the market that is capable of detecting the presence of a connector when it is inserted into the tip. Once this is achieved, it will open the door to an all-automated process. This then enables us to perform the following. It will perform an auto-centering. This will take the image and automatically center it in the center of the screen. This removes the possibility of the operator struggling to center the connector in the middle of the screen. This will then activate the autofocus. The autofocus will reduce the ability of the operator incorrectly focusing and will also avoid false positives. Then it will automatically capture the image, and with the capture, it will then analyze it to the required IEC standard as necessary. It can then also produce and generate a report in PDF format. So let's see it in action. Let's now take a closer look at how the multi-fiber mode works. I'm going to remove my standard UPC connector, and with this I have an MPO tip. Along with this I have two nozzles. One is a UPC nozzle and one is an APC nozzle. And with these I'm going to attach the nozzle to the tip. Once this is joined, I'm then going to attach this onto the probe itself. If I'm measuring directly into the card, I can use the probe tip directly, or if I'm going to be measuring a patch cord, I can use this bulkhead adapter, of which I take my patch cord, place it in, and then this connects directly onto the probe itself. The X adjustment wheel is available on the side, and the Y adjustment wheel is available on the top of the assembly to scan in both the X and Y directions. With this, I can now see on the screen that the unit will auto-center and auto-focus. With this now, I'm going to change my magnification level to my low resolution mode, and with the X and the Y adjustment, I can now see up to 4 fibers on the screen at the same time. I'm now going to return to the high magnification level, and the centering and focus will auto reset. With this, I can also have my exclusive to Exvo picture-in-picture mode. With the picture-in-picture mode, this will help the user to never miss a fiber while scanning different fibers on an MPO connector. I'm now going to move to my first fiber to inspect. As you can see, Connector Max 2 indicates the active fiber with a blue arrow. The active fiber will appear in high magnification in the other portion of the screen. By pressing the capture button, this will launch the analysis process. Once the analysis is completed, I can clearly see a pass-fail indicator on the top of the screen and also on the probe itself. As we have just seen, Connector Max 2 offers you the possibility to perform the capture and analysis for each fiber. It is also possible to perform first a quick capture of each fiber and then analyze them individually. We can go to the Preferences menu, and in the MF Connector tab, we can use Batch Inspection. We are now going to back into the live mode and start a new test. As you can now see, each fiber will be first captured in an image, and once we have an image of all the fibers in the connector, we can launch the analysis process in batch. Once you have completed the inspection of each fiber, you can navigate through the results by using the small results browser at the bottom of the screen. Here we can see the different results for each of the individual fibers. Once you are complete, you can generate a specialized report with all the fibers that have been inspected. This can be saved in PDF mode and is very useful for documentation. I can then use the tab button on the FGB1 to go out to my desktop and into the software itself in the file manager. And what I can do here is go and view the PDF that has just been created for the file and the connector that has just been measured. It contains all of the information and also, importantly, the pictures and the pass-fail to the IEC standard that has been applied. So, as you have seen, the FIP 430B is the only fiber probe capable of detecting a fiber when inserted. When this opens the door to the fully automated process of auto-centering, autofocus, analysis, and also the report generation, this will greatly decrease the time needed for connector inspection. Thank you very much for watching.